Hello and welcome to lesson number 9. In this lesson, you will learn fundamentals of geometry. So let's get started. In the fundamentals of geometry, we mostly come up with parallel lines. So parallel lines are the lines which can never intersect each other. For example, ladder and railway tracks are examples of parallel lines. Most often we see four different angles that are formed when a transversal cuts two parallel lines. In the given figure we have two parallel lines A and B and which are intersected by a transversal T. In this figure we have 8 different types of angles. Let's see what these 8 angles really are. According to the figure, we have corresponding angles, angle A and angle E. So we'll write angle A and angle E. Another a pair of corresponding angles is angle D and angle H, angle D and angle H. Another pair is angle B and angle F. Angle B and angle F. Another pair may be angle C and angle D. Angle C and angle G. So these are called corresponding angles. The alternate interior angles are angle C and angle E. Angle C and angle E. Angle C and angle E. One pair is this and another one is angle D and angle F. And angle F. Now the vertical opposite angles are angle A and angle C. Angle A and angle C, and another pair is angle B and angle D. Angle B and angle D. Another pair is angle E and angle G. Angle E and angle G, and the last pair is angle F and angle H. Now the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are angle C and angle F. Angle C and angle F, and another pair is angle D and angle E. Another topic in the fundamentals of geometry is polygon. So polygon is a closed figure consisting of at least 3 sides is called a polygon. Triangles, quadrilaterals, rectangles and squares are all types of polygons. The 3 types of polygon are regular pentagon, regular hexagon and regular octagon. So the regular pentagon is a pentagon that has 5 sides which are all equal and all the angles are also equal. Each angle is 108 degrees. In the regular hexagon is a polygon which has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. The internal angle at each vertex of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. The regular octagon is a polygon which has 8 equal sides and 8 equal angles. The internal angle at each vertex of a regular octagon is 135 degrees. Remember that sum of internal angles of a regular n-sided polygon is given by the formula n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees. In this example, we have to find the angle measure of a regular hexagon Also find the measure of one interior angle. Since we know that hexagon has 6 sides, so according to the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. In this, according to this formula, we have n equals 6. Since the polygon is hexagonal, therefore n equals 6, so we have to put n equals 6 in this formula. So it's 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, so it's 4 into 180 degrees, or we can also write it as 720 degrees. So the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 720 degrees. Now we have to find the one of the interior angle. So we will divide 720 over 6, as we have the polygon a hexagon. So 720 divided by 6, which gives us 120 degrees. So it means that measure of one interior angle of the polygon is 120 degrees. So I hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. If you feel any problem, please comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.